Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making restaurant style butter chicken. I am showing you all a very easy and quick method to make this delicious gravy. So let's get into this video. For that, here in a bowl I am adding 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces. So if you have with bones chicken pieces, it's completely fine. You can use that. And to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of thick curd, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 7 small cloves of crushed garlic, and 1 inch of crushed ginger. That's it. Very simple marination, but the results are going to be very delicious. You need to combine this well. Once this is nicely combined, I am going to allow this chicken to rest in fridge for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, here I have taken a fry pan. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of regular cooking oil. We'll allow the oil to become hot. Once the oil turns hot, to this I am adding the marinated chicken pieces. So add all the pieces. Once we have added the pieces, I am going to cook this on medium flame for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is more than enough. Do not overcook the chicken or it will turn rubbery. And you need to keep on mixing this in between so that the chicken cooks evenly on all sides, just like this. Gradually you will see the chicken will start leaving the water. So no need to worry about this. All the water will get evaporated within this time. So keep on mixing in between and all the water will get absorbed. Now our chicken is perfectly cooked, as you can see here. I am going to switch off the flame and we'll keep this fry pan aside. Now we'll start making the butter chicken gravy. For that, here in a kadai I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. We'll allow the butter to melt completely. Once the butter melts, to this I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 9 small cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 1 green chili broken into half, 2 green cardamom. Now we'll saute this for few seconds, not more than that, just for few seconds. Once we have sauteed this, to this I am adding 2 medium size onions which I have roughly chopped. That I am adding it here. Now you need to saute this only for 1 minute on medium flame, not more than that. We just want the onions to turn slightly pinkish, not caramelized. Just 1 minute. After 1 minute, as you can see here, to this we will add roughly chopped tomatoes. So here I am adding 6 medium size roughly chopped tomatoes. So this will give us nice gravy, and to this I am adding 50 grams of cashew nuts, that is 29 whole cashew nuts. I am going to mix this well, and that's it. See how simple this is. Now you need to just cover and cook this on low flame for 10 minutes. Don't cook more than that, it is not required, just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now we'll mix this well and we'll switch off the flame and we'll allow this mixture to cool down completely. Once this completely cools down, here I have taken a big mixie jar. So I am adding only half of the mixture, just like this. Don't add all together. And to this I am adding half cup of water. Now you need to grind this well, very nicely grind this. Once this nicely grinded, just like this, now we are going to sieve this gravy. So here I have taken a siever and a bowl underneath. I am going to sieve this mixture. So this will give us a very nice, smooth, silky, rich and delicious butter chicken gravy. So using a spoon, mix this and now this we will discard. Now we are back to our mixie jar. To this we will add the remaining mixture, and to this again I am adding half cup of water. So total we are using only 1 cup of water. Now we'll grind this nicely the same manner, and we'll sieve this through the siever just like this. So our base gravy is ready for a butter chicken. See how quickly we made this, and within like minutes you can make this delicious butter chicken gravy, and this is the perfect gravy as you can see here. Now we'll keep this aside, and now we'll start the final cooking of our butter chicken. For that, here in a kadai I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. We'll allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, you need to do this process fast. To this I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. So as soon as you add the Kashmiri red chili powder, you need to mix this very quickly and immediately pour the mixture. Don't wait, because if you will wait then the chili powder will burn. So immediately pour the mixture. And now you need to keep on mixing just like this. Mix this nicely. Let everything get nicely combined, and you can see a beautiful rich gravy of butter chicken. Once this nicely mixed, to this I am adding the fried chicken pieces which was kept aside. Add all the chicken pieces just like this. Once we have added all the chicken pieces, now we are going to mix this well. Once this nicely mixed, now we are going to cover and cook this on low flame for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Now we are just almost there. We are going to mix this well. Once this is nicely mixed, you can see a rich gravy of butter chicken. Now to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and some salt to taste. Now we'll mix this well, and we'll cook this on low flame for 2 minutes. We'll open and cook this. Do not close with lid again. Just for 2 minutes on low flame, just so that the garam masala gets combined to the gravy. It's been 2 minutes and our butter chicken is ready. I'm going to switch off the flame, and now we'll do the final garnishing for a butter chicken. So here I am adding 3 tablespoons of malai. So you can use the doodh malai which you have. You can collect that and use that, or you can buy fresh cream and add on top of this just like this. And to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves, which is also known as kasuri methi, and few finely chopped coriander leaves. And serve this delicious butter chicken gravy with some naan, roti, rice, lacha paratha, whatever you like. And it's very delicious and very quick to make. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching.